Today is a lecture on the utilization of Gemini.
本日も Gemini という Google の AI を使った講義となってます。
We will try creating an AI assistant through the process of customizing AI. We will learn methods of creating an AI assistant. It's important to express your ideas clearly in your own words. Students are currently experiencing this entire process. This is the first step towards becoming a person who can actively use AI, rather than being used. This time are students who usually learn knowledge and skills related to about the category of generative AI. At first, some students found it quite they seem to be gradually getting used. It is very reassuring. How I would utilize it. Each person is finding ways to utilize the cooking industry. I believe it is very important for students to be familiar with many methods. In the future, the use of generative AI will also generative AI in the cooking industry to make the most of your remaining school life and succeed in society. Every day we eat and live, and eventually, we will end our lives. The activities of a human life do not change. Students are living in an era of rapid change that has never been seen before, called AI. I hope this will be a good opportunity for you to reflect more on who you are.